friends, I am Sushmita from First BCom, compulsory foundation course in English. In this subject, I will try to explain prose, that is a service of love. A service of love is a short story. It is written by O. Henry. Uh, a Service of Love is a short story by O. Henry which narrates the things that people do out of love. In this story, Joe and Delia love each other very much. Both are artists and passionate about their respective forms of art and want to be successful in it. However, their love for each other exceeds their art, which make them feel no service hard. At the beginning of the story, the narrator begins with a premise that when one loves one's art, no service seems too hard, and then claims that they will then proves that premise is wrong. Joe Larrabee, a painter, and Delia Carothers, a pianist, meet in an atelier and quickly fall in love, get married, and set up home in a small flat. Everything goes well until they run out of money, and Delia insists that she will give music lessons and Joe can keep studying with his art teacher in the meantime. One day, Delia comes home elated. Elated means exultantly proud and joyful in high spirits, saying that she got a pupil. But Joe is somewhat put out by the fact that she is going to be earning while he does not. She reminds him that when one loves one's art, no service seems too hard. At the end of the week, Delia brings home her earnings and Joe surprises her by telling her that he's sold a sketch and taken a commission for another. During the next week, Delia comes home with a burned hand and a story about her pupil spilling something hot on it. Joe, however, finds out that Delia has not actually been teaching. She confesses that she couldn't get any pupils, and so she got a job ironing shirt at a laundry. She was burned when another girl set an iron down on her hand. Joe admits that he's actually been firing the engine in that laundry for the last 2 weeks. Both of them lied to one another, but with good intentions. And out of their love to each other. Thus the story proves the premise is wrong, and ends with the theme of when one loves, no service seems too hard. It has to do with love, not art. It is my small effort on explain this story. I would like to thanks to Vinay sir for creating this opportunity to me. Thank you, sir. Thank you, friends.